Hi, so this is Pete. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Come down here to check on that eagle. Just woke up, so haven't had any coffee. I'm a little sluggish this morning, but I'm coming down here on the trail. It snowed overnight. And, wow, I see him. There he is, or she, coming from Homer, Alaska. This is Pete. Found this big bird. A friend of mine did last night. Shot some video of it. Kind of creepy and eerie. He won't fly away. Had his head in his neck. Don't really know what it is. That's strange. It's the weirdest thing. I don't know if he's gonna attack me or if he's asleep. I'm wondering if it's that's strange. So it was here last night, and now it's getting to be daylight out. I'm just almost speechless as I watch this bird here come together a little bit. I thought he was frozen and stuck to the rail yesterday, but he's not. I wanted to move closer to him, but I was kind of unsure. My gloves just fell off my pant leg, and he was on that right away. See how quick he turned his head, and his feathers sticking out from the back of his head. He looks pissed off. I don't know if it's a juvenile eagle or if it's better put those gloves back on. So he decides he wants to come over here, do something about it. They're not leather gloves, so there wouldn't be too much protection. Those flashes that you see in front of the screen are snow. The snow's coming down pretty good right now. Look, he's looking right at me. I'm gonna get down here on the ground so that he's bigger than me. So I'm laying on this grating right now. It's weird that he lets me get so close to him. Kind of a scraggly looking old thing, isn't he? It's the first time I've ever been this close to a bird this size without it flying away or wanting to attack you. The feathers on the back of his head all sticking up. Hey Em, how you doing? I just walked down the mountain after talking about mountain. Isn't that funny? Maybe I can make friends with this bird and he'll go locate your ranger for you. Mountain, if you see that, you jackass, give her a truck back. Wow, what a beautiful bird. I'm going to try to edit the 3 other videos I have, bring them together into one. I'd like to find out the conclusion to this story here. You know, the larger predator saw that it was vulnerable. You know, certainly one of the cats up here would eat it if we have a bobcat or lynx skulking around. We have about as many moose up here as we do people. Good thing I charged my battery last night. He's just sitting there like he's out nothing. So this is a walkway here, a graded walkway that goes up to islands and oceans. It's a visitor center here, up there where those lights are here in Homer. This out here is the Beluga Slough. Beluga Lake has a marine airport. Planes with floats on them. Takes off. Delivers supplies over here across Kachemak Bay, and then out there into the darkness there, it's the frontier. Only 20 miles by marine to one of the last places on earth known as last frontier. And here we got this beautiful bird that's been hurt or injured, or I don't know. Maybe he's get my glove on. My hand freezes. Maybe it's a pixie or a small alien from another planet. Who knows? Look at him. He's just watching me and checking me out now. Kind of got used to the fact that I'm here and haven't hurt him. Don't want to get behind him and spook him too much. See if I can get some better light. Hey, big guy. Pan in a little bit. Look at that. He's like, you know what, jerk, get out of here. I'm just checking shit out for a while. Can't you see I just want some private time? I'm waiting for my girlfriend to show up. She'll be here in a minute. We had a date last night. Come hell or high water, I wasn't leaving. Show her how much I love her. I'm gonna wait right here. It's right where she said she'd be. I know she's gonna show up. I just know it. I'm not leaving until she gets here. I hear that they mate for life. Yeah, ooh, that got a kick out of you, didn't it? Wow. Alright, so I'm going to kind of sign off here a little bit. My friend Sherry is right there. I think we're going to be doing a episode on her. She lives right here next door to the frontier. A cabin. And it's heated with old stove. Cooks her food on it and chops wood, and she likes the freedom that Alaska allows her. You know, it is a beautiful thing here in Alaska where, you know, the agencies that control our society, like the police and the troopers, you know, they about know everybody, so there's kind of a relationship between the people of the peace, officers, and the locals. I don't think they've had a killing here in Homer in decades. Mostly property crime from drug addicts. Other than that, when there is crime, other than that, Homer is a very peaceful, easygoing place to live where everybody says hi and they don't care much about your past. It's just who you are today. It's a beautiful thing to witness. I came here on my Great Alaskan Adventure and I never left. Reasons like this. Look at that. Just the other day I was walking through my parking lot and a moose jumped out of the bushes, scared the daylights out of me. I didn't even see them. They blend in so well. Time to go charge my batteries. One last look at the bird. Say goodbye, bird. See y'all later. And there he stayed. Back the way I came.